So the one I'm going to show you today is the antioxidant level in this water. It's incredible. You know what antioxidants are, right? Can you see this little picture? Antioxidants. So oxidation is the rusting or aging process. If you take an apple, cut it in half, and it gets all brown, it's oxidizing, right? We as people, we age. Every day we're aging, oxidizing, and some people oxidize and age faster than others depending on what we put into our bodies. So you can look really young or you can look really old at the same age. But I want to show you why this water is an anti-aging water. It helps you reverse aging. All right, so I have a meter. It's an ORP meter, and it means it measures the oxidation reduction potential in the water, and it looks like this. It's just a little meter, and it's going to read the antioxidant levels in these different liquids. I went ahead and I poured them fast just to save us some time, but I want to show you this little chart. You see this little chart? Okay, so if the meter has a plus sign on it, it reads a plus, that means it's oxidizing our body, aging us, rusting us, if you see numbers like this. If you see a negative sign in front, that means it's an antioxidant. Like, for instance, vitamin C is about a negative 50. Cod liver oil is a negative 200. So the negative is good because we have, positive, we have our cells have positive and negative ions all the way around them. And if we get too much positive ions, so positive is not good. It's oxidation. And we don't have enough of the negative coming in. You know when you're by a waterfall and the water, it feels so good to be by a waterfall? It's full of negative ions. That's why it feels so good to be by a waterfall. The air has negative ions in it. If you take off your shoes and you walk on grass, the earth puts negative ions into your body. It's amazing. Well, this water is full of negative ions, and I want to show you. When you put those negative ions in your body, it counteracts the pluses, because the pluses, it has to have a plus and a negative to make a cell stable. And what happens is we get this free radical damage going on in our body because we have too much of the pluses going on. We need more negative ions in our body to counteract the oxidation that's happening, because even exercising causes oxidation. I mean, it's good for you, yet it's causing oxidation, you know what I mean? So we need to be putting these electrons into our body. So let me show you with this chart, this little, the meter here. Let's start right here. So soda's not very good for us. We already know that. But on the let me see if you can see that from there. I don't know if you can see the meter, but it says 408. So soda's about, popped out. Soda's about 408, 422, 423. It's rising. If I just let it sit in here, it'd go higher and higher. Gatorade is a little, not quite as bad as the soda, but it's still 400. So it oxidizes our body. I'm sorry, I don't know if you can see that or not. Dasani, this is a reverse osmosis water, and it's usually in the 300s. If I let this sit here long enough, it'll drop probably down to 3 something. What does that say? It's 399 right now. Aquafina, another reverse osmosis. It's really high too. 399. Tap water. I've seen this tap water up to 500 before, depending on when they put the chemicals in it, because our tap water is so full of chemicals, it's very oxidizing on our body. It's 400 and it's about, well, it's actually going down a little. So it's 380, 390, it's around 390, 380, all right? You can see that. Is that showing up on that screen? 400. Okay, this is our Kangen water. Can you see that? I want to get this closer. You can see what that says. What does that say? Negative 600 and something. Negative 600. That is incredible, you guys. My mom used to juice fresh fruits and vegetables all the time. And she came up to my house one day when I had just barely got my meter. So I was all excited about my meter. I was trying out the different liquids going, oh my word, this is terrible. And when I put it in and I was trying the different things like the soda and the Gatorade and the mineral water, the vitamin water, all this stuff. I'm like, this is all terrible. It's oxidizing our body. And my mom comes in the back door because our backyards touch. And I says, Mom, can I put this meter in your green drink? She had just had fresh fruits and vegetables, just juiced it. I want to see what it says. So we put it in there, and it was negative 222. Negative 222, so it's about right here. And I thought, hey, that's pretty good. Negative, at least it's negative, right? I was excited to see a negative. And then I put it in the Kangen water, and it was negative 630. I'm like, holy mackerel, Mom. One glass of water has nearly 3 times the amount of antioxidants as all those fresh fruits and vegetables. So the one thing that I love about my water is I don't take supplements. I don't take a lot of supplements. I don't need supplements. I am getting so many antioxidants by just drinking my gallon of water a day. You can't even eat that many fresh fruits and vegetables to get as many antioxidants that you get in drinking 1 gallon of this awesome water a day. When it comes fresh, you're getting it fresh out of them, and it first comes out, it is amazing. Yesterday, I measured it and was negative 800. So it has a range depending on your source water, depending on your tap water. So it goes through this machine. It cleans out the negative, the yucky stuff that the tap water has in it, you know, the chemicals. It goes through this filter, and then when you turn this hose on, this tap, it goes through the machine. And with the push of a button, you can make it be strong or higher antioxidants, lower antioxidants. And yep, and you just get your fresh water there, and it's totally amazing. I can't wait for you to see tomorrow's. You'll get another one tomorrow showing you the next property of this totally awesome water. Have a great day.